everybody. Ivor here from CF Affiliate. We are talking about the One Funnel Away Challenge. You get this cool free t-shirt when you join up, as well as a lot of other things. Why am I wearing my t-shirt today? Because I got my box. I got my One Funnel Away Challenge box today, and I'm going to show you what's in there. It's this extremely cool box. Bear with me, it's pretty heavy, it's full of stuff. Get some packaging out of the way. The first thing I want to talk to you about is my favorite thing that I was looking forward to, which is this is the USB pen where you can carry with you at all times. This thing is so robust, very cool. Plug it into your stereo of your vehicle, listen to it going to work, driving, coming home. That's what I will be personally doing with it. Again, you can plug it in to your earphones. It's fantastic. Now, this is relevant to be used along with the module you're on per day. And then on top of that, to help you take notes when you're on the move, like me, you have a workbook. Now, in the workbook, for example, no particular order, module on mission 4, you have room here to write down the daily questions and activities that need to be noted. You also have some extra space at the back of every module, which allows you to take further notes in case this is like super new to you that you want to be able to do a bit more in-depth research. There you go. Every module is the same. This book is really robust. It's not that big, so you can stick it in your stuff going to work, your backpack, whatever you need. So that is those two. These two are going to become my special little buddies together because they're easy to carry when I'm on the move. Now, Russell Brunson, if you haven't heard, has put together 30 entrepreneurs to explain what they would do with a limited budget, Clickfunnels account, and 30 days. This is the hard copy. You do get access to the membership area, which I've shown on a different video, but in here you get everybody's story, all the top entrepreneurs, what they would do in that 30 days and break it down. Now, if you fancy a good read in the evenings, if you're that way inclined, you love reading books, I've got a whole library over here. You can sit down and this thing breaks it down. It is fantastic. And there's a few other little toys and tricks in here, such as the coaching, 2 club. It explains in here the 2.1 million and the 10 million funnel award. Now, that is the box. And that is all for $100. It's a proper hardbound book. You will not damage this anytime soon. It'll last for a very long time. You can take notes in it, slot them things in. Look, it's just me being me. These are the 2 things I'll be carrying at all times. And I hope to see you on the other side. Now, below somewhere, there will be a link. If you join with me, I'm going to give you some extra bonuses, such as my private Facebook group, where we have an accountability. We're going to walk through this together, jump on super quick. We'll have videos in there. I will break down the daily video as best I can off Russell and Stephen in case some sticking points, if people want to understand a bit more. We'll do a Zoom call every week. We're more than welcome to jump in and connect and ask some questions, and we can do some live feedback on your funnels and help you out. So see you on the other side. Join the link below, grab my bonuses, and enjoy. Thank you. See you soon.